Andrew Aziz. Is Andrew Aziz from BearBullTraders and BearBullTraders.com legitimate, or is Andrew Aziz a scam? In my opinion, Andrew Aziz is a scam and a fraud. I have listened to about 2 hours of his podcasts, and this individual encourages people to day trade. He claims that people can make 1% to 2% every single day, that they can make around 20% a month by day trading. He also is a failed engineer, apparently. I emailed him for additional information to validate that he actually trades. I emailed him for information that he is a profitable trader. I asked him for his trading statements, and I also asked him for additional information on some of the claims that other people have made, such as the fake Amazon reviews for his book. I have yet to hear back from Andrew Aziz, and he has not responded to my email. Again, I believe that Andrew Aziz is a complete scam and fraud. And in my opinion, I also believe that every single follower of Andrew Aziz and BearBullTraders is likely going to lose money. There have been numerous scientific studies which indicate that day trading is comparable to playing roulette, and that the chances of a day trader making money are virtually 0%. That it is virtually impossible for a day trader to be profitable and to make money. In my opinion, Andrew Aziz is a big scumbag. He reminds me of Kiana Daniel. Kiana Daniel encourages stay-at-home mothers to trade cryptocurrency and Forex and day trade. And Andrew Aziz just presents this persona that he is legitimate, but he is, in my book, an enormous scumbag. And I would recommend that everyone runs away from Andrew Aziz and BearBullTraders, because in my opinion, he is a huge scam artist and an enormous fraud. Andrew Aziz also claims that day trading now is different than it was previously because now there's a technological edge. I can't even tell you how horrible and how much of a scumbag Andrew Aziz is. David Jaffe with beststockstrategy.com. You can visit beststockstrategy.com, enter in your email address, and receive over $400 worth of free valuable training. Please leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts on whether Andrew Aziz and BearBullTraders and BearBullTraders.com is actually legitimate. I'm also going to play some podcast audio excerpts so that you can form your own opinion on Andrew Aziz. And as I said, in my opinion, Andrew Aziz is a complete scam and fraud, and I would highly recommend that you run away from him because, in my opinion, all of his followers are going to lose money.
When I had 2 jobs as a trader and also another job was market opens at 6:30 in the morning. I was waking up at 5 o'clock. I was behind my desk at 5:30 after the shower and breakfast. And then I was getting ready for market to open. 6:30, I was started trading. And then I was finishing my day by 7:38, just change and go to work. And I was at work at 9 o'clock. Oh, 1% a day, 20% a month. That can't be true. Then why not everyone in Wall Street is day trading? The answer to that is, you are limited to the amount of money that you can day trade. For example, if you have $10,000, $20,000, or $50,000, or even $100,000, you can have a day trading account and you can add 1 or 2% a day in your account. But if a bank or an investment firm, they're managing hundreds of billions of dollars, they can't really day trade. Day trading is not scalable to any level. It's good for making a certain amount of money, $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 a day. But if you have a huge account like one of these hedge funds or investment banks, they can't day trade. They have to move into the different styles of trading and investing. I think essentially at the end of the day, what you should do is you should provide value to people. When you are starting a business, a community, the first question that you have to ask is, what can I do better to serve my clients or customers or the community that I'm trying to build? You have to ask these questions that, am I wasting people's time or I'm really adding a value to them? And this is a question that I'm asking myself every single day with my team, that what can we do better to serve people? a lot of people start advertising trading, specifically day trading, as a get-rich-quick scheme because they just know they want to attract a certain group of impulsive people that they're really looking for to get rich quick. And yeah, a lot of people fell into that trap, unfortunately. Research has shown, the statistic that has shown that the average age of traders are usually 55. And they're highly educated, college educated, and they used to be professional or they are still professional. So when you look at it, the serious successful traders, they are the people who are not young and very attractive. They're really people who are professional and they know that they're getting into the serious business. And that's an average. But, I know that millennia, just cryptocurrency proved that millennials are ready. They're eager to get into the financial market and they are really smart to really benefit from the financial market. My only advice to people is when you're getting into the financial market, have a very healthy level of skepticism about any claim that you're reading. Always make sure that these claims and these expectations are really reasonable or not. Just keep that healthy level of skepticism about anything and anyone when you go into the financial market. Again, the key in day trading is fast execution because you want to make money out of those volatility during the day and you need to have the execution really fast. A lot of people might say, oh, why would I do that? Why not just doing it, investing or, trading in the long term, like swing trading? Well, the answer to that is the profit that you can have from day trading. If you're in Wall Street as a, hedge fund manager or if you have a mutual fund, if you can get 10% a year, you're a rock star. If you have a family and you have an investment portfolio, if you have 10, 15% a year return on your portfolio or investment, that is considered a really good return. But day traders, on the other hand, they're looking for adding to their account 1 to 2% a day. So imagine you can add 20% into your account in a month because we have around 20 trading days. So 20% a month you can add by day trading, but usually by investing, it's the return that you can expect is much less than day trading. Most of the activity, most of the good trading opportunities usually happen in the first 2 hours. So as a day trader, you have to be available behind your desk around 8:30 in the morning before the market opens to be ready. And then you trade at 9:30, you probably finish it at 10:30, 11 or 11:30.
So here is Andrew Aziz's book. Now, this is hilarious to me. I just simply do not understand how you can have close to 1,500 positive reviews when numerous day trading studies have said that the probability of being a successful day trader are virtually zero. It just doesn't make sense. And it's my strong opinion that almost all of these reviews are fake. Let's take a look at some of them. A lot of the complaints are that the book is factually inaccurate and that it's grammatically incorrect. There's a lot of typos. So I just simply do not understand how there can be numerous studies which have looked at over 400,000 day traders that clearly indicate that your chances of being profitable while day trading are close to 0% and virtually, yet this person has close to 1,500 reviews and they're virtually perfect. It just doesn't make sense. So clearly his book is used as some type of lead generation device. I definitely believe that, in my opinion, it's fraudulent. Let's look at some of these reviews. We see that 82% of it are 5 stars. Yet when you look at the 1 stars, it says it's grammatically impossible to read. So there are tons of grammatical errors. Not buy, useless book, not worth a penny. And this review actually mentions, first, some of the reviews of this book is fake, even for verified purchases. This book is a junk and has lots of useless information. We can get all information online, so why waste money for this book? Filled with typos, terrible and unstructured. I saw so many typos it hurt my brain. Second, it literally barely explained how day trading worked, which, to be fair, day trading doesn't work, so it's not like he's doing you a big disservice by just putting random words on a page. I wish he broke down the entire process. I'm sorry, Ryan, but unfortunately, it's been scientifically proven that day trading doesn't work. So it doesn't matter what he puts down on there. You're virtually certain to lose money when you day trade. M. Wright says too much about nothing. Consider other books. Extremely vague. Not enough information. Plain. Nothing much. Unreadable. The fact is, numerous people have mentioned that there are tons of typos on here. And they've also mentioned that some of the reviews are fake. So I don't understand how 82 or 83% of the reviews can be 5 stars. I definitely don't want to just give a one-sided approach here. So let's see what the 2 stars. 290 pages is self-advertisement. Author blowing his own horn, empty words, investing. Average, hard to read, not for beginners. It's an advertisement. The author is selling his website services in this book, what to do, but you'll have to pay up to see how to do it. Well, in all honesty, you're most likely going to end up paying up just to lose money. Sorry, my 2-year-old son is now in the room and he's jumping on the bed. 2 stars. Let's see what the 3 stars is. 3 stars says, okay. Pretty solid book. So I'm not sure why this is 3 stars says, I'm not sure why this is such a highly rated book. I received this book 2 days ago in the mail and have made it about halfway through. I'm so confused how a book with so many obvious mistakes can have such a high rating. Useful information, but be wary. For $3.75, it's okay. I mean, basically, in my opinion, I would estimate that virtually all of the 5-star reviews are fake. You're welcome to disagree with me. You're welcome to believe that this is one of the best books on day trading available, but it's also been scientifically proven that day trading, you're virtually guaranteed to lose money while day trading. So it just boggles my mind how an act such as gambling, like going to the casino and playing roulette, and you're virtually guaranteed to lose money, can be rated almost a perfect 5-star review. So that's just my opinion. You're welcome to disregard it, and let me know if you have any questions.